There is a free AI model from Alibaba that just changed what you can build. Qwen 3.6 Plus dropped this week. It does not just respond to prompts and stop. It takes a task and plans every step by itself. It writes the code, tests it, catches errors, and keeps going until the work is finished. I will show you how to access this for free right now. I will walk you through exactly what the workflow looks like, and I will break down where the real income is for freelancers and agency owners. I am Paul James. This channel is for freelancers, solo operators, and small agency owners. If you want to run lean and compete without expensive software, you are in the right place. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is the problem that kills most AI coding workflows before they ever get off the ground. The model gives you a solid first pass. The code looks right, the logic seems clean. Then you try to run it and something breaks. You go back, paste the error, and get another attempt, then something else breaks. That loop repeats over and over. If you are not a developer, you do not know which errors are critical. You do not know what to ignore and what to fix first. That loop eats hours you cannot afford to lose. Every hour in debugging mode is an hour away from landing new clients. Every hour in back and forth is lost margin. You slow your delivery, you cut your rate to match the extra effort involved. You start declining projects you should have won. Most AI tools generate and stop. They hand you a result and wait for the next input. The real work of testing and debugging still falls on you. For a solo operator managing client projects alongside everything else, that is a real problem. Something had to change in how these models actually operate. That change did not come from the tools most people already know. Alibaba's new model, Qwen 3.6 Plus, was built to work differently at the foundation. I am calling the core idea here the execution gap framework. There is a gap between AI that responds and AI that executes. Most models live on the response side. They answer your prompt, deliver the output, and wait for your next message. The project only moves when you push it forward. Qwen 3.6 Plus was built to close that gap. It does not pause and wait after each step. It plans the full task upfront and executes each phase in sequence. It finds its own problems mid-task and resolves them without waiting for input. That gap is exactly where most freelancers stall and where most projects lose momentum. It is also where most opportunities disappear. Closing it is how you deliver faster and charge more. It is how you stop being the bottleneck. Let me walk you through what Qwen 3.6 Plus actually does. Alibaba built it on a hybrid architecture combining two key technologies. The first is efficient linear attention. The second is sparse mixture of experts routing. You do not need to understand either of those on a technical level. In practice, the model is fast and handles enormous inputs without degrading. It uses its compute efficiently so the cost per query stays low. That is a big reason access is currently free through OpenRouter. To get started, go to OpenRouter and search for Qwen 3.6 Plus. You will find both a free version and a preview version listed. Sign up for a free account and start testing within minutes. No credit card required to access the free tier. That free access is the entire point for solo operators running on tight margins. Here is where things get wild. The default context window on Qwen 3.6 Plus is 1 million tokens. That is roughly 2,000 pages of content processed in one session. You could paste in an entire codebase and ask it to audit the full thing. You could feed it a project brief, design screenshots, and requirements at the same time. It holds all of that together as one connected task. Most tools force you to break large inputs into pieces. This model does not have that limitation. You feed it everything at once and let it work. Most people never realize this part. Qwen 3.6 Plus has always-on chain of thought reasoning built in. There is no toggle. It reasons through every prompt before generating the output by default. That is not pattern matching. That is actual problem solving before the response arrives. For multi-file development tasks and longer client workflows, that changes the quality of what you receive. Outputs need less cleanup, errors surface and get resolved before they reach you. That is the difference between a tool you babysit and one you trust with a real deliverable. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about yet. This model retains its reasoning across multi-step tasks. Most models discard their internal thinking between responses and restart fresh each time. Qwen 3.6 Plus holds those early decisions all the way through to the final output. The output you get from a 10-step task still reflects the logic set at the very beginning. That consistency is what makes it reliable for real client work. I remember sitting in my brother's garage trying to build a business from nothing, no budget, no technical background, no team. A model that executes instead of waiting would have changed everything I could deliver back then. Let us talk about where the income is. The most direct play is local business web development. Every service business in your area needs a site or a booking page. Many need landing landing pages built around a specific promotion or seasonal offer. You take a reference screenshot from a site your client points to, you write a brief with their specific details. You hand both to Qwen 3.6 Plus with a structured prompt. The model plans the layout and builds the front-end code. When it hits a problem, it resolves that problem on its own. You review the output, adjust the copy, and hand a finished product to the client. That is a billable project. That is the execution gap framework, turning a free model into real income. This is where everything clicks. The same workflow applies to more complex deliverables. Think multi-step lead forms, pricing calculators, or custom event landing pages. In a traditional agency, those carry multi-$1,000 price tags. Developers spend days on them. Qwen 3.6 Plus handles the execution. You produce comparable results in a fraction of the time. Your overhead is close to zero. Your margin is the full difference between cost and delivery. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Agency owners can install Qwen 3.6 Plus as the engine underneath their entire delivery operation. You handle client relationships, scoping, and communication. The model handles the actual build. You are not capped by your own coding skill. You are not splitting your margin with a contractor. That changes your pricing ceiling and your project capacity at the same time. Content creators can also use this differently. Add a landing page as an upsell to any written project. Your client gets more value, you get a higher invoice. Qwen 3.6 Plus builds the page. You stay focused on the copy that fills it. That is a new revenue layer without a new skill set. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is an illustrative example of how this plays out. Picture someone doing digital services on the side while holding another job. They land a client who needs a booking page for a home cleaning business. The client sends a reference site they like and a short description of what they want. In the past, this person would spend 3 or 4 nights with a page builder, or they would hand the project off and lose half the margin. Instead, they screenshot the reference, write a structured prompt, and let Qwen 3.6 Plus execute. The model plans the layout and writes the full front-end file. It encounters a styling conflict between 2 sections. It resolves that conflict without being asked. The operator spends about 90 minutes reviewing and adjusting the copy. The client gets a finished usable page. That is the execution gap framework, turning a free Alibaba model into paid client work. And the client has no idea how quickly it was produced. That is the point. The output looks like something a skilled developer built. The time invested was 90 minutes of light review. Picture what the next 30 days look like. You have a new workflow running quietly in the background. You are not stuck debugging. You are not bouncing back and forth with a model. You are delivering projects, sending invoices, and using the recovered time to scope the next one. You are not explaining to clients why the project is running long. You are not logging hours on debugging that should have been automated. The gap between those using execution-first AI and those who are not is widening. It is growing fast. Qwen 3.6 Plus makes all of that available to you right now. The cost to start is zero. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income